US Secretary of State Antony Blinken arrived in Beijing on Sunday amid frosty bilateral ties and dim prospects for any breakthrough on the long list of disputes between the world's two largest economies. This visit makes Blinken the first top American diplomat to visit China in 5 years and the highest level American official to visit China since US President Joe Biden took office. On this high stake diplomatic mission, Blinken is expected to try to cool down the exploding US China tensions that have set many around the world on edge. The trip comes after he postponed plans to visit in February after the shoot down of a Chinese surveillance balloon over the US. During this trip, Blinken is expected to meet with Chinese Foreign Minister Qin Gang, China's top diplomat Wang Yi, and possibly President Xi Jinping. The aim of the visit is to establish open and robust communication channels between Washington and Beijing to ensure the American-Chinese strategic rivalry does not spiral into conflict. There is an expectation that Blinken's visit will pave the way for more bilateral meetings in the coming months, including possible trips by Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen and Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo. It could also set the stage for meetings between Xi and Biden at multilateral summits later in the year. Biden said on Saturday he hopes to meet with President Xi in the next several months. The list of disagreements and points of contentions between US and China is a long one, ranging from trade with Taiwan, human rights conditions in China, to Hong Kong, as well as the Chinese military assertiveness in the South China Sea to Russia's war in Ukraine. Reports suggest that China's Foreign Minister Qin Gang warned Blinken that he should show respect during a pre-trip phone call and made clear his view that Washington alone was responsible for the abysmal state of relations. But US officials said that Blinken remained hopeful that the two nations could move beyond feuding rhetoric and make progress on establishing regular lines of communication. Speaking at a press conference on Friday before departing the US, Mr. Blinken said that the trip had three main objectives: setting up mechanisms for crisis management, advancing US and allies' interests, and speaking directly about related concerns, and exploring areas of potential cooperation. He said he would also be raising the issue of US citizens detained in China on charges Washington sees as politically motivated. However, US officials have already played down hopes of much progress being made in thawing relations between the two countries as a result of Mr. Blinken's trip.